So let's talk about how you can manually pair the Apple Watch. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you might already have an existing Apple Watch and you might want to add a new one or start with a brand new Apple Watch for the first time. But in either case, you have to open up the Watch app and it gets to the pairing mode, right? So you will see the setup Apple Watch page. You'll be able to set it up for yourself or for a family member, but you can click on it like this. You can set up for yourself and it will try to search for the Apple Watch, right? So the approach to like set it up is that you will need to find the Apple Watch right here and it will be like nearby. It has to be nearby. If the Apple Watch is not findable, make sure that you put it on a charger and that it is charged properly. Even if fresh out of the box, it might sometimes need to be charged up to be able to be recognized by your phone, right? So that is what you have to do at first. If it still doesn't work, it might happen that you're trying to set up like a newer Apple Watch, but your phone is kind of out of date. So you might need to go to the settings app, check out the general section and software update, and get the latest version of the software to make sure that it actually works properly. So that is something that could fix the issue a lot of times. But then you might be required to just scan the code of the watch screen with the iPhone camera, and this should initiate the pairing process. So this is the only way how you can set up and pair the Apple Watch. So I really hope that you can make it work. Let me know if it worked for you. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next tutorials and upcoming videos like this one, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.